Hello guys, I just recently created an application for myself to learn handpan, and then I decided maybe it can be useful for you. I just want to quickly demonstrate you its possibilities, and then I will share with you the link how you can get it. So first of all, there is a choice of different scales that you can choose, and whenever you choose some scale, for example Hijaz, it asks from which note you want it. For example, let's say B, and then it loads the scale. You can play it. It's not the real handpan sounds. Like this. Okay, so let's go to Chord D, the most popular handpan. So what you can do here, first of all, it calculates all the main chords of this scale, which is very useful if you want to learn it, and you can listen to it by clicking on the card of the chord. And then you can see all the variations of this chord, inversions of this chord. Yeah, so this is the main one. You can even see it in a loop, or this, like that. Yeah, and there is another inversion, which is the note A is on the left. Okay, so then you have all these chords, and about each one you can see all the inversions to practice it on a handpan. And what's for example, if you like this one, yeah, you can add it as an arpeggio or as a chord to a progression stage. It will appear here. So now we can play it and see how it will be played on the handpan with the pre-count. So you can now see the visualization. What else you can do? You can remove pre-count if you want, or make some custom pre-count. Then what you can do, you can change the tempo to a faster one or to a slower one to follow this. Okay, now if for example let's add some other, it was A minor, we can add, I don't know what, for example C major as an arpeggio. So now we have 2 chords, and each one will be repeated 4 times. And this card is also changed. You can play with it. Okay. Okay, so what if you want to add more complex melody? What you can do, I will delete all these cards. You can create a graphic version of your melody. So we can do like this. For example, you can draw it and then you can play it just to listen how it sounds. Or you can be like a guitar hero mode. It will go in the loop, or of course you can edit and play here. Nice. So then if you like it, or you can create as many cards as you want. For example, another one with some chords, just randomly. Sorry if it will not sound very good. Let's hear. Wow, beautiful. So now you know how to play play it. And now you can play it here. Wow, I want to learn this melody. Nice, very nice. So you see, you can create some melody, and for example, I like it, so what can I do? I can save it. For this I will press this diskette button. I will give it a name, cute melody, some category, I can say D chord, for example, D chord 9. Save. So now it's saved. But what else I can do? Because, for example, if you want to send this to your friend, there is another icon, this chain. When I click it, the link to this particular composition with this particular scale, with this tempo, with everything, is copied to the clipboard. So if you want to send it to someone, you just open your messenger and paste, click paste, and your friend will open exactly this scale with exactly this melody. Let's try it. So I will go to Chrome. Let's see, paste. It's, imagine your friend opened it in his browser. Boom, we have this melody, we can play it. Wow, beautiful. So now your friend can learn it. What do you think, guys? And for me, mainly, I was creating it to learn the chords of this scale, and it recalculates the chords corresponding to what scale you choose. But then I decided, okay, I'll create this composition block to make some compositions, and sharing block to share it with people. And quickly I will tell you about more, for example, more features. For example, you want to learn composition and it's quite long. Now it has 2 blocks, but it can have many blocks. So for example, you want only the second part. So what you do, you mute everything and unmute only this one. And you can say pre-count, let's say 4 times each loop. So it will make a pre-count every time. It will not loop it infinitely. It will do like this. Let's see. Waiting for you to refresh, and again. Again, it's waiting, and so on. So if you want to make it a little faster, you can move the tempo slider. If you don't want pre-count every time, just in the beginning, you just remove this each loop checkbox, uncheck it, and then it will do the pre-count only in the beginning. And then it will loop it. Okay, when you're ready to learn all composition or add some more parts, you just unmute the first part and you can play all. Okay, good. So this is very good for learning. You can see all the chords of your handpan. You can listen to it and have some idea what do you want to add in your progression sequence, and you can edit it visually. Yes, very cool feature, I guess. So if you want this app, just let me know and I will send you the link. For me it's super helpful, and some people find it very useful for them.